Hello everyone, my name is Michael. Today let me introduce our another video scope, SZX joystick video control video scope. The model has three kind of camera lens. One is 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, and the other is 6 millimeters. The cable length, working cable length is from 1 meter to 3 meters, and the monitor size is 5 inches. And its camera lens LED light can be adjusted, and it has a room function. The model, and it's controlled joystick all-way articulation, very easy to operate. The button is for locking joystick. You can find it. Okay, that's all.